Hello everyone and welcome to Gundam Breaker 4! Yes, we're back and I went overboard. I couldn't help myself. I was just having too much fun in this game and now look at me. Oh my god, I'm barely recognizable from last episode. The only thing recognizable will probably be the Gundam chest, which is close to Gundam. But yes, don't worry, I did not play too much. I restrained myself. I did, I swear. Okay, let's get on to it, shall we? I did 3 missions.
This is the mission desk.
Thankfully, they're actually quite replayable. Yeah, these two. So let's get on to it, shall we? Because yes. Otherwise, I'm gonna be like playing this for a while, and I'm eager to get on to the next mission. Let's redo these, shall we? Missions 2, 3, and 4. Let us begin. So yes, this game is going really nice. And here we got the gang.
So what makes this mission different from the last one?
It's basically the same as a normal battle. Just defeat the enemies as they appear. It's more about teaching us the combat basics at this point, so it might be better to just jump right into it.
Yep.
Makes sense. I'd rather practice than study anyway. Let's go kick some butt! Oh, wait. I need to adjust my equipment first. Be right back, guys.
Well, at least you're enthusiastic about it.
And she's gone. At least she's excited.
Yeah. This should be fun, though.
You good to go? Last chance to make changes.
I'm good, Tal. Let's get a move on. I'm ready to do this. Alrighty, preparing to sortie on the next mission. Man, I look nice. It can only get better as we progress through this game. Woohoo! I might, I'm not sure how long this actually might take because it's actually it's pretty fast. You get through this pretty fast. So it makes me wonder what we're going to hit later on in this game. I'm sure it's going to impress.
Let's do this!
And we have Hello Wing Gundam. Oh god. And yes, these beam rifles, the Gen beam rifles, are quite something. And we are fighting Wing Series ball suits. Oh, okay, low Buster rifle. Okay, that just went back. And this is like my favorite weapon right here. the twin beam saber. And look at that! Tongies! Yeah, that Dober cannon is quite nice to use. As you see, I've acquired myself some very nice weapons and parts. Though, just minimal abilities, but it pretty much gets the job done, I'll tell you that. Interesting body armor missions. Well, won't be playing those until we get through a lot of the story.
You're doing well, but don't let your guard down.
Hello, Strike
You
Gundam.
don't tell me.
Okay, these guys just spawn on top of us.
Watch my back. Let's go.
Smart of a gust. The nice claw shield's awesome too. Hey, he's got the sword strike. That's what it was. Lasers! Yeah, still getting used to the cup. He just disappeared. Oh, launcher strike. Hello? Okay, I just went past him. Arm. I got the backpack! Oh, that's nice. Got the Agni, I think that's what it's called.
Let's do the next one.
Next one. And here we come. Oh, this part. Right. This is interesting, because of course, surprise, this guy shows up. Pretty early, too, huh? Just to get them. Not he shows up much there. We got a first mobile armor
This
here.
is a strong one.
The Hashimal. And he's quite something. He's got this one big attack that will really get you. Thankfully, aerial attacks seem to be really nice on this guy. They work really well. I also have this little specialty. Transam! Let's have some fun. Put in the GN field. Yeah, this is our first mobile armor from Iron Blooded Orphans. First mobile armor to be in that series too. Oh! Right, that's the move that's pretty much unavoidable almost. I'm actually not quite sure how to avoid it. But we're gonna be fine. I'm gonna take down this guy. Actually, he's still got 2 health bars left. Yeah, he isn't going anywhere though. I got more Trans Am. He is blaring red. Look all the damage he's taking. Oh, he's prepared. Oh my god, it's still hard to block. Like, I'm not even sure I can block it. Fly. Ow! Trans Am! Keep going, Trans Am! And it's down!
This is nothing. You can get through any mission if you've got enough guts and grit.
Well, her skills are
she's
solid.
Fired up. Yep, definitely. She's got good skills. So yeah, that was the second mission where you actually fight quite an iconic mobile armor at this point. I'm surprised you didn't pull up the little guys. Little guys that usually assist it, which is interesting. But I'm not sure if... No, it does. It just uses them as an attack. What I say? Huh. I actually didn't use them. So what, does later on do we get like, they come back, the Molars come back again to get like new abilities? That would sure definitely be something. Ooh, I got the wing shield. Beam sabers in there. Yes, I got the Agni. Nice. Oh wow, it's 3-star. It's 3-star too. I think I might actually be able to use that. Though I already have the. Nah, I already have the one where it basically is this, and it's got the transformation ability. So I'm good on that. But it would be nice to have for customization. Have a good long-range sniper unit. Let's see what's on the big screen. Gunpla.
And now it's time for GB4 News! Hey, hey! Everybody in the lobby having a good time? It's Rico, the GB4 idol!
Yep, I was right. The first time it's her. The Gundam Breaker 4 idol.
It's time for the latest GB4 news and updates! Today's topic is the question on everybody's mind. Just how far will Meister Jin go?
Meister Jin.
Meister's clan won the recent clan battle for an incredible record of 99 consecutive wins. This is their 5th championship in a row.
They've been around for a while, and clearly they're a fan of Gundam 00.
So far, this builder is unmatched in GB4. Will anyone step up to challenge Meister? He's dominated the rankings since the last server maintenance, but I'm hoping we'll see a new star appear to put him in his place. The next event will be held soon. We'll have all the details for you as soon as they're finalized. So stay tuned.
Wonder who's gonna put him in his place.
That's all the updates I have for you today. But I'll see you next time for more GB4 news. This is MC Rico signing off. Happy battling!
And that was Idol Rico. So, Meister Jin, huh?
Meister Jin! That guy's always topping the charts.
Wow, so he's the best there is, huh?
No, it seems like it. We have a long way to go until we get to him.
Why'd you get so quiet all of a sudden? Listen, I get it. It can be pretty intimidating to see someone that far above you in the rankings.
What? No! I'm excited to finally learn the name of the guy I need to beat!
Come on, even he doesn't scare you?
I mean, sure, a little. But mostly, I'm just amped to have a goal to shoot for.
Ah, nice.
If you're gonna play in a game like this, you should be playing to win. Don't you think so, Tao?
Well, yeah, but that's a little easier said than done.
True, but still.
Jeez, grow some backbone, will ya? You know what I'm talking about, don't you?
Of course, absolutely. I know it is.
Yeah, see? He gets it. Well, if being the best is what we're aiming for, we're gonna need to give it our all.
Going for the top.
Go team!
You certainly got the enthusiasm.
Wow, she's really serious.
Yep, definitely serious. And in the same. Oh, right now. That model looks certainly familiar, and those funnels I want.
Yeah.
It'll change the part and item drop as well. Interesting. Good to know. Sure, probably done the easier and hard. Well, I'm not sure about hard, but probably the easy difficulty because
This is the mission
all
desk.
the difficulty levels, yeah, like see S rank in the middle, that's like normal difficulty. So they're probably different if you set the difficulty, but I don't know about that. So I probably have to do those off screen in my wonderful time of farming in this game. But now, for now, we move on to mission 3 with a lot of Model High mobile suits. Now let's go have some fun. Hello guys, back again, IZ.
This is a new type of mission, right? What's different about this one?
Well, you see,
I'd be happy to explain.
No way! When I first saw him, I was ecstatic.
What's with that afro?
Oh, hello. I see you're a fan of Johnny Raiden, a familiar face from Gundam Breaker 3. Haven't I seen that guy on TV before? I certainly have.
Oh, very observant. You sure you're not a new type?
A lot of people tell me this, I swear.
Who is this weirdo?
Oh, he's quite something. I'm surprised you don't know. Everyone knows who the famous Mr. Gunpla is.
that's the face of Mr. Gunpla. He's the first person to ever become a pro Gunpla fighter.
Really? That's surprising.
He's retired from battling now, but these days he's a really popular commentator.
Certainly on that. First pro, huh? And what about all the other players that were around during Gundam Breaker 3?
Whoa, that's amazing! What's a guy like that want with us?
Good question.
Oh no, this isn't really him. Mr. Gunpla's avatar is for sale, so a lot of users have it. It's like a cosplay.
Ah, looks like he's got a lot of fans running around.
Aw, way to get my hopes up.
I may not be the real deal, but I know my way around Gunpla.
I'll be amazed if it's actually the real thing. Just trying to be in disguise by pretend to be a cosplayer himself.
Call me Meister. I use this costume to help teach new players in my spare time. Don't be afraid to come to me if you ever need any advice.
Now that you mention it, we were planning on trying this mission next. What do you think?
Yeah, what are your thoughts, Mister? Also, I see you get the journey ride in Gelgu with the Gundam GPO 1 booster pack, space one.
Aha, smart choice. That mission is great for beginners.
Oh, wow. I know it's just a cosplay, but getting complimented by Mr. Gunpla still feels good. Okay, gang, you heard him. Let's go check this mission out.
All right.
Seems like someone's excited. Okay, I'm in.
Same here, Lynn. How much do you want? If that actually turns out to be the real guy, I'm gonna be so happy to see his return. All right, next sortie. Preparing to launch. And we're here in this oasis, and that's a HLV. It's grounded. Oh, hello. These are John Trumpets. The ability, thank you. Hello. Just took him down in one swing. We did over there like, hello, that's the desert one. Those are gups. Right, careful, because this thing actually can die real quickly. As you can see, the damage they're pouring onto this thing. Oh, nice ability you got there. Oh. Hello. That's basically Sharzaku here. Doesn't look like a big drama, but I'm pretty sure it's Sharzaku. Otherwise, I'm going to have multiple drama. Excuse me! That missed? Why is it all of a sudden missing now? He's breaking out all the time. I love these burst rifles. Excuse me, sir. You are not okay to shoot me in the face with a bazooka. I'll shoot you in the face too. And there it goes, off to space. Successful defense mission.
Yeah, stage complete.
All right, you two, let's move on to the next one. Yeah, the missions are fast. It's the cutscenes that are what make it take time.
Hey,
hello.
Did your screen glitch out for a second there?
Yep. Hello, can I
We should
weapons?
report that.
The game is still in beta, right? I'm sure it's nothing to worry about.
You're probably right. Let's get that mission started.
I like how the wolf is in frame there. Not sure if that's playing again. First I've seen it. If it is, I'll be actually curious. Hello, Gundam Gushin! Rebank one, too. Man, I love this twin external beam saber. It does so much damage. And hello, Gundam Barbados Loop. That's and the original Gushin. Oh, hello, there's that the Gundam too. Grind them into dust. And chop into them in pieces. Ah, there we go.
I'm gonna take them all down myself if you two don't get a move on.
Oh, look at her go. I got this. You alright?
Thanks. I mean, whatever. I could have handled it without you. I almost had him.
Oh, you're one of those type of girls, aren't you?
Sure you did.
Oh! Gundam Age 3! Look at that guy. That's where I got my headpiece.
Let's go!
Oh, wrong target, but it works anyway. Trans Am! Reach is done. Look at those little guys. Ow, what the? Oh, are you catching on my abilities? Hello. No, I stop him. There we go. Okay. I'll shoot him with this. And that's it. And that was also Gundam Leagueless. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, because it is quite the name. But that is Mission 3, we're already on to Mission 4. Yeah, these are done pretty quickly.
A perfect score! Are
Next
you
time
some
I'll
sort of new type?
I'd like to do just 2. Because, yeah, 3 might take a bit long just to get through them all. And my curiosity just wants me to continue collecting parts to make the ultimate Gunpla. There's Meister Jin's mobile suit right there on the statue.
We did it! Mission complete.
Yep. That one in the
I
back.
saw. That was some great work out there.
And there's Mr. Not Mr. Gunpla.
Oh, hi, mister. Thanks.
I did pretty well too, didn't I?
Yeah, you pulled off some pretty bold moves.
Yeah, she was in the center of that.
Always do.
However, you could mind your defenses a little more. You sometimes left yourself open.
I guess.
You saw that too.
Don't worry, you're just starting out. You've got nowhere to go but up. You know what I mean. Being able to fend for yourself is good, but your true strength will be how well you work together with your clan. This will become even more important as you make new friends and your clan grows larger.
Good point. I'll remember that.
Farewell then, and good luck!
Nice. Gave her the iconic voice tone as an answer. Cool to see that guy.
What is it, bud? Is something bothering you?
Yeah, something. That weird glitch earlier. Yeah, not sure what that was about. Maybe there's some lag in there
that
too?
was kind of strange. Not much we can do about it, though.
You're more of a worrier than I thought, bud. Huh. I kinda like that. Maybe I will report it after all.
Yeah, thanks, buddy. You would have
I
seen that
do
before.
wonder why Mister came up to us specifically, though. There are plenty of other beginners around.
It's gonna be him.
I don't know, maybe he just likes us. Or he could be helping them while we're off doing our missions?
Yeah, that's kind of. I wouldn't definitely wouldn't put it past him.
I don't know. If you ask me, that Meister is a bit of a mystery.
Just we'll need to continue on to find out now, won't we? Alrighty, next mission. Get through these quickly so we get to the
This is
missions
the
we haven't
mission
done.
desk.
Now we're on to mission 4. This one I quite enjoy. In there quickly! Where's Lynn?
What's taking Lynn so long? We're supposed to go on a mission today.
Good question. Where could she be?
Wait, isn't that her?
Huh. Yes, yes it is.
Hey! Over here!
What happened to your eyes?
Lynn, you're late! Where were you? We've been waiting forever! What the? Hey, why is your player name all scrambled? Oh well, I guess bugs do happen in beta tests, right?
Yes?
Her name is just question marks.
Well, we're all here, so now I can tell you what we're doing today.
Not sure if you noticed her tone, Tal, but she literally emotionlessly said yes.
It's a battle against other players. We'll finally be fighting another team!
Oh,
With how
That's
well
super
we've
nice.
done in the last few missions, I figure we're good enough to handle a clan battle now. What do you think? Pretty exciting, right?
yeah, definitely. Can't wait to go through her hands.
Yes.
You don't seem very into it, Lynn. What's going on? I thought you'd be more excited about this.
My thoughts exactly.
No?
Aw, are you nervous because it's our first team fight? That's so unlike you. You don't have to worry, though. Clan battles are broken up by ranks, so our opponents will be beginners like us. It shouldn't be too crazy. Now, let's go!
Alrighty, let's see who our opponents are. Alrighty, launch again in a PvP match apparently. So yeah, we get through these missions quickly. So I think I might add three other missions. Ones that I haven't done because yeah, they wanted to go through everything yet. Giant bosses offer a unique battle experience. Then, oh. Hello, we're in a place. I'm pretty sure it's Jaburo.
Okay, our
Definitely.
first real battle
Oh yeah,
against
definitely.
other
Look at
people.
that name.
Let's
It's a
go,
goth.
you
That
two.
This
What's the matter,
again?
Lynn? You're kind of quiet. You sick or something? It's okay. Just leave
No.
this to me. I've got a good feeling about today.
Huh. Destroying the Sakat to dust? But chop him up to pieces. What are you doing? Hello. Oh, it's the original guys. Hello, Gundam. Yeah, we're playing with someone completely different, aren't we? That's certainly not Lynn. Question is, who is this person? That's a good question. Like I said, I haven't played with them fully. Just one mission, it's this one. Gundam Atlas, look at that. Gundam Thunderbolt. Melts the hell on that. Can I do this? Okay, yep, that's a little bit uncontrollable though. Let's just take care of these gyms and move on to the next thing. Using Eox ability. Come here! There goes the gun cannon. Alright, wave one cleared. Let's move on to the next one.
Yeah, stage complete.
Next one's gonna be. Give it a load. There we go. Bridge. Hello, this is Gundam Dolo. That was a 20s pilot. Let's go Trans Am. Oh, there's the blues. I was wondering where they were. There's probably an option where you can turn on transformation. You can actually see the other stuff. Hell. Oh, Gundam X. Yeah, right. That's here. Come here!
Got you!
You're not getting away. You certainly hit hard. Good. Yeah, wait till it's full charge. Gotta make those faster. Hello, we got the other gun here. It's been a while since I've done since I've seen Gundam Dolo, so I can't remember all the names. The GNX is, yeah. Enemy approaching, that being Gundam Double O Riser! Oh
Maybe
my god,
we should
that's
raise the
my
threat
song.
level.
Oh, even these guys are here too. Maybe we should raise the threat level. That's more artificial intelligence than I like, huh? I would be very surprised if we get an L-Diver here. The thing is, like an L-Diver. I don't think we're gonna get L-Divers in this game. Gundam Breaker. I'd be very surprised if we do.
Holy cow! You're on top of your game, Lin!
Definitely.
When did you get so good? Have you been practicing?
Practicing?
Wow, you're totally different than last time.
Last time?
The way she
Yeah,
tilts
you know,
her head.
we did those missions together.
Tell, I don't know if
I
this
do
is
not
Lin.
understand.
Something's up. I feel like we're not on the same page here.
You think?
It's like
I've
I'm
already
talking
noticed.
to a whole different person.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
wait. Are you not Lin?
Lin?
Oh
Okay, it's
man, I messed
adorable.
up. I thought you were someone else. Looks like you didn't notice either, huh? Her mobile suit and avatar are the same and everything.
I think it's just
Wow,
someone.
I'm sorry about that. So what is your name?
I think it's someone.
It's Lin.
Lilin? It's Lilin? Dang, even your names are similar. What are the odds?
You sure it isn't just someone
I
on the
guess
same
I should
account?
introduce myself. I'm Tao, and this is my friend. So there, now we're all friends. Nice to meet you.
Friends.
Friends. Oh, that is nice. Yeah, tell you sure they are? Yeah, they're. I'm pretty. Well, I haven't really hasn't guessed it for a while now. Well, this is certainly an interesting character, Lilin. Alright, let's start. Oh, enemy player.
So you're our latest victims, are you?
Hello.
You look a little green. Are you sure you're in the right place?
Chaos is his name.
Wait a minute, this can't be right. I know those guys. That's Freedom Fleet.
Freedom Fleet.
Nice one.
Yeah, they're a top-ranked clan. There's no way beginners like us should be going up against them. Hey, the settings changed. It's an open-ranked battle now.
Oh my, it seems there was an error in the matchmaking. How unfortunate. Well, since we're all here, I suppose we'll take our free win.
Watch out! He's not messing around! Oh man, we can't take these guys. They're way too strong.
Already here.
Mission objective is to defeat all enemies.
Yeah.
I mean, sure, that's the mission, but
Defeat enemies.
Well, let's just get to it then.
You're really not backing down, huh?
Nope.
Fine. If that's how you want to play it, let's give them everything we got.
Let's give it to him. How's that feel, son?
Like a taste. Fire!
These little guys with you.
A direct hit.
Freedom Fleet. Rival clan here. 2 for 1. I'm gonna take out his buddies first. He's got people on him. Let's do it. I think I want him. Oh god. Melt him! I got the same thing too, buddy. Only mine's better.
Meister activated.
He's got a Destiny backpack.
Ooh, you're not bad for a beginner. I'm impressed.
He's got a beam magnum! Ah. He's got a
This
bitch
is
on
as
his
far
beam
as you
magnum.
go.
I can't believe this is how strong these top-ranked clans are.
They're top
Sorry,
ranked for a
guys. I
reason.
must have messed up. I got us in way over our heads.
Now then, let's finish this, shall we?
Watch out.
Oh, we all recognize this if we all been pets to the Gundam Breaker series.
What's that light?
Impossible.
Let's welcome you guys to Awaken! Oh, Awakening. Basically, a stat
What's
just
that?
makes you really overpowered. It's super transformation. Oh, you!
Oh, you just lost. What are you laughing at?
I just got the Banshee Noise
Losing
beam
a single
rifle!
match is nothing to me, boy. Besides,
I'm extremely happy.
I value some things far more than mere points on a scoreboard.
Value?
I can't believe I
Indeed.
got that.
Your friend here has shown me something incredible. I thought we met by chance, but now I think it may well have been fate. Thank you. I do hope we can do this again.
Yeah, this guy seems to be our villain. I have tried this mission several times and I have not gotten that beam magnum. I just got the weapon I've been trying to get. No way. Okay, maybe I'll do one mission. Yeah, one more mission. No way! I actually got a beam magnum this early. The Banshee's beam rifle. Beam magnum. Oh, I'm happy. I'm ecstatic. We gotta do more!
That was incredible, dude. I didn't know you could use Awaken.
Yeah, it's an awesome skill, I'll tell you that.
What is Awaken?
Oh, right. You probably don't know what that is. Let me explain. Awaken is a super rare...
Awaken is the power to dramatically increase a Gunpla's strength. It is an anomaly, available only to those with outstanding natural ability.
Well, hello, sir. You are quite the chaotic looking dude. Forgetting your name. You're a very evil looking Gundam.
Whoa, it's that guy from Freedom Fleet.
So, tell me, how is it you learned to use Awaken?
It's alright, buddy. I can't tell you, so I don't even know myself.
I suppose it shouldn't surprise me you don't know. The method for activating it still isn't fully understood. A glitch somewhere in the system.
I've only ever seen videos, but they say only a handful of players can use it.
Indeed, it is a rare and valuable skill, which means you have potential. Far too much to waste on some no-name clan.
Hey, these are my two buddies.
What do you say, my boy? Why don't you join my clan and put that skill to good use at my side?
Whoa, hang on! He is an important part of our clan!
Obviously. But this is a valuable chance for him to get ahead. Instant membership in a top-ranked clan? He'd be a fool not to take it.
What are you gonna do? It's your call.
I've already made my call. I'm sticking with you guys. Sorry, buddy. No deal. I ain't joining you.
Oh dear. It appears my generous offer has been refused. What a pity.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about, buddy! I knew you wouldn't abandon us!
You know it.
I respect your optimism, my boy, idiotic as it may be.
Uh-huh.
And lucky for you, I'm the forgiving sort. Do let me know if you ever change your mind.
He's finally gone. Sorry today was kind of a disaster. I thought I did the settings right, but then those guys showed up.
You're good. Don't worry. We won in the end.
But you were a big help, Lilin. You did great back there.
I did?
Yep, definitely. You're really, really skillful.
I'm sorry we thought you were someone else, but you really pulled your weight in that fight. Maybe it was fate. Let's play again sometime, okay?
Definitely.
Okay.
Her simple responses. Okay, I'm a bit ecstatic now after getting that rare item. Apparently, I just got a B Magnum. Hold on. Is that even better than the twin burst rifles I got? Hold on, because that is something. Where's that B Magnum? Banshee. It is. I'm taking that. Yes, I got a B Magnum. Okay, I know this has gone on for a bit long, but let's do one more mission because I'm happy now, and I want to try this B Magnum. So let's go for another mission, shall we? Mission.
This is the mission desk.
Let us do the 5th mission. Hydrate Camphor and Stormfaust Ride. Right. Let's see what this mission's got to offer and try out my new B Magnum.
I wish I could have seen him use Awaken. Was that the coolest thing ever, or what?
Well, Lynn's back.
Also, I still can't believe you both confused me for someone else. There's no way we look that much alike.
You were exactly the same person. The only difference is with your eyes were... Your eyes are basically emotionless.
I swear she could have been your twin. We were lucky to have her, though. She was really good. I just hope we can spot her again sometime. Oh, hey, speak of the devil.
Whoa.
Hey, Lilin!
Wait, there actually is 2 of them? Okay, it's not just one person. There's actually 2 distinct people.
Hello.
Hello to you too, Lilin. Come over here, meet Lynn. You're apparently... Why do I... Your twin, apparently.
Huh. So you're Lilin, huh? Dang, we really are twins. Who gives? I don't know.
Lynn, did you make a bot account or something? She looks exactly like you. It's kind of freaky.
Nah, I've seen stuff like this often, so not too much, but I guess you are right to see just exact replicas. Well, one is clearly normal, and the other one is, well, emotionless.
What? Of course not. Why would I even do that?
So, do you have a twin sister then?
If emotionless is the word I'm looking for.
The only family I have left is my cousin, and they don't even play GB4.
Really? That's interesting to hear.
She does look just like me, though, and she has exactly the same mobile suit. It's like someone copied my data.
Oh.
Did my account information get uploaded somewhere by mistake?
That would be something. That would be something, wouldn't it?
I don't know. You don't seem to know much. So, Lilin, what kind of Gunpla do you like? Have you been playing GB4 for very long?
No, I am new.
Huh. Apparently every friendly member we get is just new, apparently.
I see. Not too big on talking, are you? Alright then, newbie. Let's get in a mission and see what you can do. You might look just like me, but I'll prove I'm still the better fighter.
Tao.
Let's go!
Alright.
Probably should have seen that coming.
Yeah, you should have. But, what can we do? Might as well get it over with.
Okay, I'll sit this one out. But I'll be watching to see how you three do on this next mission. Good luck.
Alright. Alright, you two. Let's go. This is gonna be interesting. Alright, sorting on this next one. Oh, the beam man. Oh! I should have checked the X skills. Because you probably could have used the grenade launcher at the bottom. The revolving launcher, as it's called. I was too excited. Alrighty! That's this mission, and we're in the city. I want to say it's Hong Kong. From Zeta, but I'm not sure about that.
We just need to take out that designated suit.
The Gundam Mark II! Hello.
Okay, here we go. There's no way I'm letting you show me up.
Whoa.
Okay.
Well, she's quiet.
Yeah, she's not much of a talker,
Maybe
Ellen.
she's embarrassed about copying my look or something? Huh, serves her right.
This is gonna go, it's gonna go in that direction, isn't it? Hayaku Shiki, so we're definitely in the Zeta era. Come here, Quattro. Okay, that's about the beam rifle you got, and shooting mega particle beams. Look at that little mission! Zeta Gundam! Look at this little mission, dude! It's so adorable! Ow! Hey, little guy! Oh my god, he's actually hard to hit! Come back here! Oh! Come here! Oh! Did I just get chent? Well, that was a lot of GP from that. Huh. Just incinerate this Zeta Gundam! Ow. There's a bunch of parts just flying out. Alright, wave one clear.
Let's move to the next field.
Alright then, let's go.
Mission accepted. Prioritize the target.
Aegis Gundam. That's a base. Water roll. Got that off. Got myself and this backpack. Excuse me, but is that not? Pardon me if my eyes are playing tricks on me, but is that a Strike Gundam? Okay, you do not care. It is. It totally is. This is quite a mobile suit, sincerely. Hey, it's another one of these little guys. Oh, something's coming. What do we got here? Oh! Force impulse
Here
and
comes the enemy ace. Gotcha.
quite a lens normal eyes compared to the dull eyes. Kind of. Yeah, that's very good. are quite the individuals. Lilin especially. Gotcha. I'll say this Beam Man does damage. That's good. What is wrong with the Zuck warrior just standing still with an axe over its shoulder? Come here! Yeah, block everything. Just press right through it. Yeah, that Beam Man is like damage. Nice. Oh, wow.
Not too shabby, if I do say so myself.
Alright, where's Lilin?
Did you see that, Lilin? Top that! What? Oh, come on! She took down 3 at once?
Yeah, this is what we were hanging out with, Lynn.
Whatever. I was just getting warmed up. Okay, now it's time to really get serious.
Serious?
Oh, boy. Huh?
I'm not sure I understand, but I will try.
Huh.
You won't beat me. Let's do this thing.
There we go. Way too clear? Well, what's the final stage? Final wave. Oh, we're in the square room again. What is this place exactly? I'm curious. Is that H? No, that's not. Hello! It's a night. It's SD Gundam. It's the SD Gundam's command. Oh, they're both command Gundams with a Night Gunner. Interesting. Ow. Alright. How about Trans Am? Is he gonna die that clearly? No, he's got 2 health bars. Well, he's gone. Ow! Still haven't used to get to this guy. There goes one command unit. Oh, little SD minions. Come here! Ow. And we're done.
Tao said she was good, but she's way better than I expected. How is she so much faster than me when we have the same mobile suit?
Interesting note, Marilyn. You can't even tell which is the part other than their numbers and who you pick, who you put them as. Okay, but you definitely know Lynn's on the right and Lynn's on the left. Gundam Perez and Gundam Claire.
Congratulations.
Huh. Interesting. They have different mobile suits, but they're still the same. Tempo for the gallery has increased. Separate custom Air Strike Gundam, Sword Strike Gundam, Monster Strike Gundam. Huh. Folding Sword. Gatling Gun! Oh my god, the Gatling Gun is not even start. Excel at projectile speed and homing capabilities, making them excellent long-range weapons. They can be easily canceled, making Gatling Guns extremely easy to link to EX skills or up skills and weapon combos. That's quite a knife. Mega Gatling. Oh! That's the one used by Quest's Jackdoga. Interesting. Unless I'm wrong. You can correct me on that, because it does look like it. Command Gundam Head, Night Gundam, and Command Gundam. Dragon Arm. Oh, Savior Gundam, that's what that was. Kemper. Force it post legs. Aegis Gun. Oh, it's the backpack. Anti-beam shield Aegis. And we're good. Yeah, they're both good.
Okay, I admit you're not bad. But I'll do better next time we play together. Next time? You're not quitting after one win, are you?
Actually, I think she's asking if we want to play with her again.
Yeah.
Oh, right. She isn't in our clan yet. Well, I guess we'll have to fix that then. What do you think? Does she make the cut? I like her.
I already like her. Sure, she's
That's a
joining in.
great idea. Hold on, Lilin. I'll invite you.
You'll invite me.
Yeah, well, totally. We're hanging out in this clan of ours. It'd be fun.
Okay, I see.
I feel like she's like learning things around her. Like she's just like showed up.
You should join. That way we can plan missions together, and you can play with us anytime you're online.
Yep. And what I mean by that, I mean like discovering things around her.
Thank you, Lin. I will join your clan, and we will play together again.
Hey, good thinking, Lin.
Yeah. But you do realize you said that to Lilin, not me. Right, Tao?
Sorry. This is just a little confusing with the avatars and everything.
This is gonna be amusing. Very
I
amusing.
guess it is pretty hard to tell us apart when we look so similar. This is weird. I wish I had a way to change my color scheme or something.
You could just go customize.
Color?
Huh? Oh,
Is this okay?
I like your choice of color. Wow, first color change and I like it immediately.
Hey, how did you do that? Even your avatar changed. Huh. It does make it easier to tell who's who, though.
Definitely.
I guess problem solved?
Yep, she changed her Gunpla and her avatar's colors. And definitely to a color I like,
Yeah,
that's for sure.
I'm not entirely sure how you pulled that off, but that'll work.
Welcome to the clan, Lilin! Thank you. I will see you next time.
Sure, I'll see you next time too, Lena. Take care. Well, I sort of like her color scheme. I might actually go try to replicate that. Hey, Meister's there! You know, like, finally we got, other modes. Bounty Hunter mission mode. Feature unlocked, new feature has been unlocked. Quest mission, yes! Finally I can do stuff. A new chapter. Oh, that was the final chapter? Huh. Alright then, where is Lilin? Oh, I see someone out there. Lilin!
Good morning.
Oh, very thank you. And, Meister over here. That's a new Gunpla.
Hey!
So far, this builder is unmatched in
Oh, we are. There's just, more than one. Well, not anymore. Alright, well, this was certainly an interesting, event. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you all next time. I'm sure we're going to have some fun. See ya.